Hello, my name is Rose Bogart, and I'm chair of the Wayne County Taxpayers Association. There will be many issues that various groups will be attempting to place on the November 2012 ballot. The Wayne County Taxpayers Association has decided to actively support two of them. Once again, I'm asking for your help. We hope that you will help us collect signatures for these proposals to ensure that they make it to the ballot. In 1978, the voters amended Article 9, Section 6 of the state constitution and made additions to Article 9, Section 25 through 34 to provide for tax limitation. This is most commonly known as the Headley Amendment. The people thought that by voting for this, there would be no unauthorized tax increases without a vote of the people. However, over the years, we've been proven wrong. Taxpayers, including myself, have been to court on numerous occasions, and the outcome has been inconsistent. Government and the courts seem to have found a way to get around the Constitution to the disadvantage of taxpayers. We are circulating this petition in conjunction with the Michigan Alliance for Prosperity. We are hoping the proposal on the petition will finally stop them at the state level. The petition language reads as follows: a proposal to amend the Michigan Constitution by adding Section 26A to Article 9. No new or additional taxes shall be imposed by the state government, nor shall it expand the base of taxation, nor shall it increase the rate of taxation unless by a vote of the 2/3 of all the elected members of each branch of the legislature, or b, by a statewide vote of Michigan electors at a November election. This section shall in no way be construed to limit or modify tax limitations otherwise created in this Constitution. We hope that this will stop the shell game at the state level, while still constraining tax increases within the established limits. The current legislative policy has significant effect on both business and individual taxpayers. We know that similar provisions in 13 other states have proven successful, and that precedent for what we are proposing has been established in the Michigan Constitution. I'll give you a couple examples. A 2/3 legislative majority was required to assume new debt to pay off debt owed by the Mackinac Bridge Authority, and a 3/4 majority is required to raise the education tax. The second proposal we are supporting concerns the building and maintaining of any additional international crossing. The proposal reads as follows: the people should decide whether state government may construct or finance new international bridges or tunnels for motor vehicles. Consistent with the policy and to shield the people from unnecessary burdens, the state shall not undertake ownership and the development or use of state funds or resources for new international bridges or tunnels for motor vehicles unless first determined to be necessary and appropriate by a majority vote of the people. The politicians have indicated that funding for the projects will be paid for by the tolls generated. However, there's no guarantee that the taxpayer will not have to pick up the shortfall for the construction and operation of the bridge proposed by Governor Snyder. The money is a loan from Canada, and it is for the bridge. What the governor isn't saying is that Michigan taxpayers still have to pick up the bill for significant other work that needs to be done, such as roads and ramps and anything else that needs to be done that are related to the bridge. The objection of the legislature and the majority of people seem to have little effect on the governor's decision to proceed. Reduction in crossings and state population, in our estimation, ensure the taxpayer will be responsible for the shortfall in revenue. If we're going to have to pay for it, we should have a say in whether it should be built. That goes for any other construction of this magnitude. Please, placing decisions of such massive projects on the ballot would result in a discussion of both the merits and the liabilities of the issue before we commit taxpayer resources. Please get involved. Contact me and I will see that you are contacted by the appropriate people and are sent the petitions you need. Please don't think that someone else will do it. We need your help. Lansing has gotten out of control. Please contact me at wctaxpayers@comcast.net or 313-278-8383. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.